Hey guys, it's your boy Peter. Guys, this is the beginning, This is the beginning. We're waiting for the volatility for NFP. So don't get it twisted, guys. The EA AUTOBOT on all position, guys, has already opened sell. And I want to show you the entries, guys. It looks incredible. Look at that. But anyway, that's a minor reversal, guys. So don't pay attention to that. Let's see what the system does. This is a 3,000 USD account, guys. So don't get it twisted. We have the Pip Collector Ultimate right here. And as you can see, it's Friday. Guys, it's Forex Villa Pro, guys. It doesn't get the 27 to the event, 27 minutes to the event. That's the event, guys. NFP, non-farm payrolls. So let's see where we go with this one, guys. Just want to give you a heads out and look at what the broker has been saying, guys. This is what your broker has been saying. The system was trying to open more orders, but anyway, it didn't. But here we are. No problem with that. I wasn't joking around. Look at this. What I really want to show you guys is this right here. Is this account right here. Look at how much profit we've made ever since Wednesday, guys. 8,000 from a deposit of, guys. It doesn't get better than this, guys. It doesn't get better than this. And all on the EA AUTOBOT, guys. All on the EA AUTOBOT. Let's go to the PC. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All on the EA AUTOBOT, guys. All on the EA AUTOBOT. It doesn't get better than this. Making money with simplicity. Well, Peter, let me sign out. Let me see what else can be salvaged from this. Because we're still trading, guys. We're still trading. It's gonna be a reversal. We already know. Let's go. Trading with the best broker there is. If they don't show you this, it's not real, guys. 11K, guys. It's over like 200K, guys. It doesn't get better than this. On a Friday, guys. Well, Peter, let me sign out. Data, it doesn't even matter. What matters is this. Yes. We killed NFP, guys. We killed NFP right there. We killed it. There's still some trades running on MetaTrader 4, guys. Gold, we killed gold as well. Look at that. Look at the entry, guys. Guys, we entered before the event itself, guys. This one, the US Tech, guys, just open trade right now, 30 seconds after the event itself. But what I want to show you guys is this account I've been working on. Guys, it doesn't get better than let's start on Wednesday. Yes, it's on Wednesday. Look at that. This is that account that we first deposited 2,100, guys. And we are still eating from it, guys. It doesn't get better than this. And we're trading with the EA AUTOBOT just like I promised, guys. We made a profit of 1.9 from a deposit. Guys, it doesn't even need to say, guys. I deposited 350 just to make it 2.5. But anyways, guys, you already know, trading with the best broker there is on the land. Look at the dashboard, guys. I showed you the account of MetaTrader 4, guys. We're killing it as well. We're killing it on MetaTrader 4. Look at the equity right there. And check this out. God, I don't know why I didn't update, guys. Today we're withdrawing, guys. We're withdrawing. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. There's the system. We told you, guys. It doesn't get better than this. Look at this. Still on MetaTrader 4, guys. Let's go to MetaTrader 4. This is the MetaTrader 4 that I'm talking about, guys. This is the MetaTrader 4. We're killing it. This is the Pip Collector. Don't get it confused. This is the Pip Collector Ultimate. And look at the entries, guys. Here on Great Britain. Look at the entries. Guys, still trading with the best broker, guys. Already made a withdrawal on MT4, guys. Look at that. We started with 2,100 US dollars, guys. And look at where we are right now. So this is MT4. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. Where's MT5, guys? It doesn't get better than this. This is just today, guys. Let's look at when we started. I'm sorry about my phone, guys. I don't know, it fell or something. But whatever it is, guys, here we are. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. 2.4. Just say 2.5, guys. Just round it off. And gold, guys, is still agreeing on some buys right now. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. So I've already given you an update, guys. It's Forex Villa Pro, the home where profits are made, guys. It used to be home of Men04. I used to say home of Men04, but we've got other systems that are as bad as Men04 right now. So, guys, you already know. Big withdrawal coming, guys. Guys, we're still at it. This is the ultimate. I told you before that it's gonna reverse. So here we are. Watch me take profits. But before I take profits, let me show you this. We've already made enough money. But let me take profit, guys. Anyway. Take profits. Guys, 11,000 now. On 11,000. I hope you can see, guys. This phone fell. And you know what? I'm not taking good pictures. I'm going to buy iPhone 14. Is it 14 or 15? 14 Pro here. So bear with me. I'll come and unbox here. If not today, this weekend. But watch this page. This is 13 Pro, but we need quality videos, guys. So just watch before even make withdrawals, guys. We must get our hands on the iPhone. You see, I'm even struggling to focus right now. But then anyway, let's see. The last 3 days, yes. That's what we're looking at. Watch my previous video if you wanna understand. Hey, they're cutting grass outside. It's hectic, guys. It's hectic. Your boy. You gotta join our Telegram channel, guys. Still growing, guys. We're still growing. Let me sign out.